Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from MugshotLook. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to the MugshotLook webpage, scroll down and click Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Info at the bottom. To opt out, go to the Remove My Information page, enter your first and last name, select your state from the drop-down, and click Search. Search the results, find your name and info, then click Continue to start the removal. Fill out the form with your email, name, address, and phone number. Then hit Submit. A message will appear confirming that MugshotLook.com will send an email to the address you provided in Step 4 to confirm your opt-out request. Check your inbox for a confirmation email, open it, and click the Remove Your Info link to complete your opt-out. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and your info will be removed. Congratulations on opting out of MugshotLook. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.